Hey guys, welcome to Gabe and Ryan's Garage. Today, we're gonna do Gabriel's brakes on his 1990 Mazda MX-5, and we're gonna do stainless steel braided brake lines, slotted rotors. We're not at Sebring yet, okay? So we're gonna do just slotted. We're not doing the Brembos today. One day. That we're doing pads. We're just putting regular ceramics, cause track pads cost a lot of money.
Yeah. Well, I have those, but we're gonna change them when we go, instead of having to just burn through them when you're just daily driving it. So.
Pretty much. We're gonna show you 2 ways of doing the rear calipers and the 2 ways of doing the fronts. We're gonna explain how to do them, and that's it.
Yeah. So why might someone want to upgrade their brakes? Well, for a few reasons. Obviously, these are very old, and if you're planning on tracking it or doing anything, brakes are the most important safety thing that you should do first. And so while we're doing the brakes, we're just doing everything at once. So we have the steel braided brake lines, which will help remove some of that squishy feeling when you're pressing the brakes. Also, if you haven't yet, we also have another video where we just replaced the caliper only. So if you want to see us do that, then just go to our channel and you'll find a video there.
Okay, so now we're gonna depress the brake pedal. We're gonna keep it depressed. I want you guys to turn on your car so you can have reserve capacity from your brake booster. Makes it easy to press the brake pedal. We're gonna press the brake pedal with a 2x4 or a piece of wood, something, a bar or something. We're gonna slide the chair in so the car stays depressed. The brake pedal stays depressed. This blocks the brake master cylinder inlet port, so fluid does not leak all over your driveway. We learned the hard way last time, didn't we?
Oh my God! You're gonna run out of brake fluid.
We're replacing lines, the pads, and the rotor. We're gonna remove the brake line here. Then we're gonna remove the big bracket bolts, not the slide pins. The big bracket bolts to the hub. We're gonna pull out the rotor and slap the pads and brake line.
Alright, so once you remove the caliper, you shouldn't be able to remove the rotor. These are already pretty loose, but if they're tight, you could go with the hammer and hit it from the back.
Yep.
But yeah, these are pretty loose. So you could just take that off. Yeah.
Okay. So now, guys, we're gonna remove rust. This creates a radial runout or lateral runout. This imbalances tires, causes tire vibration, it runs tires quicker. It's just not a good thing you want to have. We're gonna get some brake cleaner, clean it up. Bop, bop, bop. We wipe it out. We wipe it off with a nice clean rag. Get all this rust off. Make it look pretty. We're gonna go to our next step, putting anti-seize. You don't want a lot. This is an easy mistake. You don't want to put so much where like just comes all out as soon as you put the rotor. A thin coating is just fine. And it should look something like that. Nice and pretty and coated. Then once you're done, get your rotor. Gabriel's now doing it. Oh baby, look how pretty that rotor is. Spin it around. Oh, that's beautiful. And there, your product should look something like that. We're gonna do the calipers now, and we'll cut to them. Okay, so now we're gonna do our calipers and pads. For this, we wanna get a good grip. Use an impact. You can use a breaker bar and a vice grip, or you can do it while it's on the car. This way is just faster for me. Then the bracket should pop out like that. We have our brake hold downs. You wanna get ones that come with new clips here and new hold downs.
Yeah, I would also recommend you buy new clips. They're cheap enough.
Yeah.
And it's better safe than sorry. So.
Exactly right. So you remove your pads, the clips. The pads should be able to pop them out like this. The clips you push out. These spring clips, you can pop them out. They're normally here. You just pull them out like that. We're gonna clean the rust here, and we're gonna clean the rust here. Try not to get scraping anything. This looks clean. I'm not gonna touch this, but clean the rust here. Lube our brakes. You don't want a lot. Like, oh my God, like I have right here. You want very little. You want to just Dab it up a little bit. You don't want so much lube in here. You want to have some on the piston itself. Here. This is silicone, so this won't damage rubber. Put on the ears of the caliper like this. And that should be just fine. I did it messily because I'm a messy guy. Don't be like me. But it should look something like that. We get the hardware. These came with new spring clips. They did.
It's already open.
Your brake pad. I am the automotive technician, baby.
Like I said already, we started when it was daytime. I'll let you know when it's pitch black.
Okay, buddy. Are you telling the video that?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, buddy. What a support. What a good friend you are.
Yeah, because someone came 6 hours late.
That's not true. That's not true. That's not true. I'm on time all the time. Like my teacher says, on time is late. So there's another part of the brakes. We have our squealers, which go like this on the brake ear. They go on your inner pad, the inner towards inside of the car. And the little part that sticks out just lets you know when your brake pads are low on life, they squeal. We're not gonna put these because we have no point in putting them.
Yeah.
So just save ourselves some time.
You're gonna have to explain what's going on.
Yeah, you know, I'm trying to get my ground, Gabriel. Let me get my ground, okay. You're supposed to tighten this up to here.
Yeah.
Then you spin this, you hold this around.
Wait, we don't need it. Okay, so this is basically, you have to reset it because the brakes are too big. At the end.
Horrible, horrible video. There you go, leave me alone. You. Put that in the video,
Okay, now after we put that back in for the brake lines, there should be a little clip that I need to take off.
There you go.
Okay, and then you could undo it from here. Just like that. And then you should be able to just pull it out, and that's how it looks. Okay, so here are the new lines. Just remember that these are for different ones, so I believe these are for the back. This one is for the front, these two. So, and then just the same way you're gonna put them in, the same way you took them out, you put them in. These also come with new bolts and washers, so you don't have to reuse the old ones. So, okay, so this is how it looks all back installed. Just put this back on here, and then you just tighten that, and then you torque everything down. And I went over to the store to get some more brake cleaner because we ran out. I also got a snack because I was starving. So yeah, the only thing is just make sure before, when you have everything on, you just spray brake cleaner. You know, the more the merrier. Just make sure you clean everything. Now we're going to start doing the back. The back is fairly almost the exact same, right? There's only one thing they have to do different, which is
You're gonna have to, so inside this caliper, once the pads are out, when you're twisting the piston on that one, it's just compression. On that one, you could use a C-clamp, or you know that, what we had, a C-clamp and a pad. This one you can't use a C-clamp. You can either have an Allen wrench that goes around here, I think it's a Torx. It's a T37 right here, or you can clamp it down using the specialty clamp, which spins. It's a screw, so you have to spin it like a screw.
yeah. If you do it the other way though, you have to readjust your handbrake once you finish.
Exactly.
Yeah. Alrighty guys, as you can see, it is no longer nighttime. I wonder why that is.
Shut up.
And well, as you can see, this one is this caliper is gone. So, long story short, basically, last night, once we had done the rears, we did the rears. It was fairly easy. I mean, we had a few little problems here and there, but we got it all done. And as we were bleeding it, the
bleeder nipple, the threads got destroyed,
yeah,
and
it was like taking air. So
yeah, the technician probably who did a repair a long time ago didn't do it very well, and it couldn't withstand the bleeding procedure.
yeah, so we just got a new caliper. I mean, that thing was old anyways.
Yeah.
That's how it is, all done. We did it in like 30 minutes.
Yeah, this time.
Yeah, the last time we took like 10 hours.
Yeah. Oh well.
Okay, so now we're gonna bleed the brakes.
So, you're gonna have someone pump the brake pedal. They're gonna hold it down. You're going to loosen the bleeder screw like a regular screw. You're gonna loosen it, but they have to press the brake pedal, then loosen it. You're gonna see fluid and bubbles come out. Then you close it, then they have to repump the brake pedal. Okay? You're gonna see bubbles go up, and when you stop seeing bubbles is when you go to the next tire.
Yeah.
Okay?
And if you're doing the brake lines, you might have to like go again a few times because there's no fluids in the lines, so you have to like really.
Yeah.
It takes a while. Like this is the mechanic tripod right here.
So now my buddy's gonna press the brake pedal, and you're gonna show it.
Alright.
Press.
Yep.
Like that, you release. Press again. You see there's no bubbles in this one. Again. Then you tighten it. Sometimes okay. Release. This one's fine. I'm gonna bleed the next one, but you normally see bubbles. So let's try one more time. Again. There, no bubbles, so this one's fine. I don't see any bubbles. You wanna use a tube so you can see the bubbles. But this one's just fine, so.
So when you're bleeding the brakes, after each side, you always want to come and take a quick look at the master cylinder, because you're going to need to be topping it off each time, so you don't want it to go past low. So as you can see, we are in fact not test driving it right now. It is raining pretty badly. We also forgot to put the lug, so we had to buy a new one because we lost one. You want your brakes to warm up a bit when you brake them in, so we're not going to show you how to do it, but it's really simple. You just have to go like 40 miles an hour and then brake until you reach like 5, and keep doing that.
From 40 to 5 miles per hour. Then do that 10 times. Then without letting the brakes cool, you go from 40 to 5 miles per hour aggressively.
Yeah. So basically like that. And so that's all you have to do. 2-day journey for us trying to put all this. So we're gonna end the video off here. If you enjoyed, leave a like. And see you next time. Right? What do you have to say for the outro? What do you have to say to the outro for the audience?
If you have a full-time job, don't do your brakes on the weekend.
Heard it here from the man himself.